All right, so I have officially completed my electrical. Well, officially, somewhat officially. I gotta put the straps too. I'm gonna strap that down like that. So I ended up cutting the end of the plug, put a box there. So I connected them together. On that outlet that's inside the camper, I replaced the outlet that I had and I put a GFCI one. Got one of these. And then, well, I still had that one on top right there. Where I accidentally marked the wrong location of the box, and I attempted to cut into the stud. Yeah, that didn't work out. So that's why it's so low there. But I had to shave a little bit there so the cover fits just right. I was gonna put the GFCI on this box first, but then I changed my mind and put it on the inside because I figured if it goes out and I'm in the inside, I can either reset it or I will know. Because yes, this is the one on the outside, but the one on the inside has the GFCI, so I guess it should be fine. Doesn't matter. So yeah, so I have total 2 outlets, one outside and one on the inside. Here's the box. Hook up. I still haven't tested out, but I will do so soon. Boy, I hope I don't catch my house on fire. I got this handy tester. It should tell me if it's connected properly. So if it's properly, these first 2 yellow lights should be on, and the last red one should be not on. So I'm gonna connect the extension cord. Of course, need some slack. Alright, here goes nothing. Well, nothing. Sounds funky. We're burning. Oh, that light is on. Like if it was tripped, maybe. So if that's tripped, that means there's no power here. There's nothing there. It's nothing there. Let's see. Let's test this one. Well, that's 2 yellow, no red. I mean, that's correct. 2 yellow, no red. That means that's correct. Now what I didn't notice is that's right. And that's right. Guess I did something right. So let's see. Should test turn on the TV. Trying to figure out where the power goes. Right there. Look at that. We got power. Oh, looks like there's a movie in there. Alright, what is it? What is this? Avengers. It works. Oh, it's not Avengers. This one's Spider-Man. Alright. Test the remote. We need batteries. We miss this. We are